you've been looking all over Edmonton, Alberta, Canada for that perfect move-in ready family home, well, you're going to want to take a tour with me at 5024 206 Street. Located in the sought-after community of the Hamptons in the southwest Edmonton, this property really does have it all. It has walking trails, mature schools, lakes, everything that you're going to want to look for in a growing family home. It is a 5-bedroom home, and moving on through, it was built in 2006 and has many upgrades and is over 2250 square feet above grade with a fully finished basement. Moving on through, you'll find that it has laminate flooring, quartz countertops, maple cabinets, upgraded stainless steel appliances, and an open concept feel, perfect for entertaining or if you just love to have big family dinners. There is a dinette overlooking your fully landscaped, fenced backyard, and also a corner fireplace in the living space that you're going to want to cozy up to on those long winter nights. The landscaping is professionally done. There is a storage shed as well, and it is one of the owner's pride and joys, the landscaping. It has a formal dining room space, main floor laundry, and a 2-piece bathroom on the main floor, and a very well insulated garage, which is currently being used by one of the owners as a gym. As you move on upstairs, you'll find the large bonus room, which has a raised platform perfect for a TV or an electric fireplace. It is bright and airy, lots of windows, and the beautiful thing about this bonus room is it's set off by itself away from all the bedrooms. So if you're watching TV, you're not going to be disturbing the other inhabitants of the home. Moving on through to the bedrooms, the primary bedroom is massive, really large room, plenty for a king-size bed and lots of additional furniture. It is situated away on its own kind of wing of the home. It also has a 5-piece ensuite with a big soaker bathtub and a shower on its own. It is overlooking the backyard and has a large walk-in closet. All the bedrooms are substantially large on this upper floor, so there is room to grow in this family home. The basement again is fully finished and has 2 additional bedrooms, and there has been upgrades such as a new hot water tank and a new furnace as well. So move-in ready, that would be perfect for you. Close to schools, all amenities, Anthony Henday, look no further but at 5024 206 Street in the Hamptons. Karen Stanko with Remax. For information on this property or more properties like this or hot sheet on additional properties, please click on my link below. Thanks for joining me.